Hey there, do you love a clean house and the occasional happy hour? Well, today we've got the perfect video for you. We're about to show you 10 quirky and effective ways to clean with a twist of vodka. That's right, the liquor that keeps the party going can also keep your house sparkling clean. First up, did you know vodka can remove sticky residue? Simply grab a cloth, pour a little vodka, and wipe it away. Sticky mess be gone. Let's talk about smelly shoes, because we've all been there. Spritz some vodka inside and let it air dry. That's it. Did you spill red wine on your favorite shirt? No worries. Blot it with vodka and wait for the magic to happen. Poof. Completely gone. Vodka can also work wonders on your windows. Mix it with a little water and vinegar, and say hello to streak-free shine. Let's talk about disinfecting your hard surfaces. Simply spritz some vodka, wipe it down, and kill those bacteria. Vodka cleans chrome faucets and fixtures very well. Soak your towel for a few. Wipe, rinse, and dry with a paper towel or dry microfiber cloth. Voila! Hey pet owners! Vodka can be your secret weapon against pet odors. Mix with water, spritz it on, and say goodbye to those funky smells. Ladies, vodka can even remove hairspray buildup from your hair tools. Just soak them in a vodka bath and watch the gunk disappear. Need to freshen up your bathroom? Vodka can do that too. Add a few drops of essential oil to a spray bottle of vodka and water, and you've got yourself a DIY air freshener that will make every bathroom break delightful. Let's not forget those pesky fingerprints on stainless steel. Vodka can banish them in a jiffy. Wipe down with a vodka-soaked cloth, and your appliances will shine like new. Well, there you have it. 10 quirky and effective ways to clean with a twist of vodka. Cheers to a clean house and a little fun along the way. Have you ever used vodka as a cleaning agent in your home? How did you use it? Leave us a comment below and tell us all about it. Thank you for watching CleanSceneTV, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. See you next time.